We can't do all this unless we have extensive partnering with very comprehensive companies such as yours that enable all these great things to happen. Give us sort of a state of the state from where NetApp stands in regards to the various activities going on across the public sector.
Sure thing, Luke. And thank you to all the federal agencies for all the work that's been done. You know, we think about cloud as a journey, and it's like we've come through the first leg, but optimization's not over, and we have the opportunity to continue moving along this journey. So great work. When we look at what's going on and, you know, the optimizations, I bucket it into three categories that we see where we're doing work with the agencies. First is on savings. The second is on simplification, right? We've come through and we've talked about, you know, going to the cloud, but as people have rapidly adopted all these services, right? It's a big, wide, heterogeneous environment that's gotten more complicated, and we need to simplify. And the third is around security. So, on savings, it's, you know, some of the projects that we see are things like tiering, you know, like taking from your data center and tiering your data, making sure that you're using the most cost optimized approach, right? Whether that's on-prem or in the cloud, maybe for your cold storage. Backup, using cloud for backup is one of the areas that we still see a lot of agencies needing to move and take advantage of the cloud to offload some of the work and some of the things that were being done on site. And then the third area on savings is really in this, as people have moved to the cloud, is what are we doing relative to cloud optimizations? And we have tools like Cloud Checker that help people manage their financial spend, so they get visibility and transparency heterogeneously across all of their different cloud environments. Simplification, we know that we need more and more tools that are heterogeneous, that take advantage of both on-prem and in the cloud environment. NetApp took the approach that we partner greatly with the major hyperscalers. So we're the only enterprise storage operating system that's offered by Microsoft, Google, and AWS as a first-party service. And what that helps with is skills, right? We can't keep skilling up for different types of environment everywhere. How do you take the skills that you've developed over the years on-prem and use those in the cloud? Simplifications of tools like our Cloud Insights, which help people look across their storage and their compute environments and figure out what's going on, and also monitor for security anomalies that are going on. And Blue XP, we just released this as a management platform, a single plane that you can do both on-prem and in the cloud, right? So that's some of the areas that we're looking at. And then along the way is making sure that security is built in. We're using zero trust approaches to build our products so that as they get adopted into the infrastructures of the agencies, that things are there. Things like we've done the NSA CSFC testing to make sure that everything that we're delivering to our customers is as easy to consume for them and build in everything that they need, right? Whether it's the executive orders that are coming down on them or, you know, it's like, we know these are the things that we need to do to protect our environments and to protect the mission. So that's just a few highlights from my perspective.